Here we go. So we are today, me and Rachel, who showed her eyeball in one of the Pokemon Go videos yesterday, um, is unboxing this thing here, and it's from the Works Coffee, and I got it as a Christmas present. Now the Works Coffee was based. Oh, I've a broken leg, so I'm moping about here. It was based in the Waterworks, and then they moved to where did they move to? Glengormley, and now they're opening a shop somewhere. I don't know where the shop is. The Mummy Go Bag. Yeah, so they're taking a sofa from the shed, a sofa bed from the shed, and putting it in their front room because I am getting surgery on my leg and I won't be able to make it up the stairs. So in the box, I have washed everything, but we have one coffee pot. So
Looks like a mini
you take it and set it in front of where this other camera is. One coffee pot. There we go. And one. Is this a coffee percolator thing? You take that.
I don't
and
know whatever you it is.
This
Is
is.
it plastic?
Yeah, but this is a very cool. It is really cool. Look at it. Portable coffee cup. See it? It's class, isn't it? So good.
Oh, sorry, I wanted to do that.
So let me see. We'll just show the wee logo there. Look at that.
That's
It's cracker
classy.
looking. There we are. And we have our coffee filters.
They look like napkins.
And
It's
we
okay.
have our bag of coffee. Let me see what it says on it here. I'll just try and get it under here. There it is. Festive blend, chocolate, nutmeg, and cherry flavour. So they do blend all their own coffees. And here's the wee thank you from Claire and Jim. Really nice people. So there's everything out of the box, and we're going to make some delicious coffee. So I don't think I did use one of these before. I usually just buy coffees, but I did use one of these before. So what we're going to do is, Rachel, can you open the wee coffee filters? Now they should open in a way where they don't all just go flying everywhere, because if you fling them everywhere,
You've no coffee filters.
there's no coffee filters left.
Well, I don't think it does.
Are they just sealed? Because we'll just use a wee sandwich bag to keep them in, to keep them fresh or something.
They look like napkins.
Well, that's what they are. They're just wee circle napkins. That's all they are.
No, they're coffee filters. Here, Olivia. Got it.
There we are. So open one up, and what we're going to do is, I think you just unplug this. See, Rachel? Like, just in case you need to make me it when I'm sick.
Well, I
Like?
can do that.
Like, see here?
Yeah.
And just unplugging this and setting it here. Here's a coffee filter. So this, Rachel, just goes there.
I'm trying
Right.
to make them fresh.
Now, once this opens up, let me see. How do you open it up? Can't open it up.
Oh, I can't make them fresh. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, so I'm going to try. I need to move it out of the way so I can see the camera.
They won't go fresh.
I need to open this up.
Should I make a try?
Yeah.
Do I have to do it on camera?
Yeah, try and do it in camera so you can see it there. There we are. There we are. Rachel got it. Rachel got it. Open it up. It's like a wee pouch. So the wee pouch now goes in to here.
More?
Into here. Right, that has to stay open. Now. Oh, look, we forgot.
What?
Spoon. So the coffee goes into that. So we will open up the coffee.
Can't you just pour it?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Measure with your hands.
And now that's stuck to me. Okay.
Pull it off.
I know, but it's my face at the same time.
You just pull it off and then it.
So open this up, and we're going to do a lovely smell. Oh, that smells delish.
Who were you saying?
Smell the
thank you?
beautiful coffee.
It's very strong. Thank you.
That is really nice. So, no, we're best. Tina, can we have a spoon, please?
gonna say something that looked like, but
Yeah.
I'm not gonna.
We have
Oh!
our assistant
No.
on hand here.
That smells so bad.
Where's the kettle?
We're about to use it here. I need a spoon.
Hurry up, I need it from my pocket.
So here we go. We will do, I don't know, maybe 1 spoon. I don't-
Does it give you instructions?
no, it's just whatever strength you want. But 1 spoon for that sort of size, I think it's going to be all right. I think that's only going to make 1, isn't it? Do you know what we'll do? No,
1 and a
no.
half.
Okay, 1 and a wee bit for good luck. A wee bit for good luck. There we go. There we go. So what we need to do now is we'll have our coffee, our water sitting there. We're doing this, what, 5 minutes? So yeah, you're not meant to use boiling hot water because it will burn the coffee. So
Well, you just told me to boil a kettle.
yeah, but then you let it cool down. So we're gonna pour this in. Oh, sugar plum fairies.
Oh, ew! What?
You're still negative.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Looks
let
like
me see.
tea.
Let me see. Hold on.
You
Might
can
need- might
see
need
the
more.
reflection on the table. Ew! Look in that.
I know.
It's disgusting.
Oh, that's to fill that up. Then
I think you're gonna need a lot more.
yeah, I think so. So
Do you need another one of these?
the what?
Of these? Or
No,
can you use the same one?
you see one here, but
You pour so
sugar.
much water.
yeah, it's to fill that wee jug up. So we'll have no clue what we're doing here.
If you add so much water, you're just gonna have a big, disgusting pot.
Yeah, the pot, but the coffee stays here and the flavour goes through. That makes coffee. So do you know what? I think I actually needed more, but we'll just go ahead and we'll.
Doesn't look like coffee. It
Oh, it does look like coffee.
looks like blood. Will you hurry up? We need it for a mop bucket.
I know. I know, but we need it. We're making coffee. We're making
You're
coffee.
making coffee. I seen you walk down there holding something. You were just going like this holding something. You walked back up the driveway holding something.
So I think we're doing it right. Well, I haven't a clue. I think I used 1.5, but it's not. I don't know.
1.5. You used about 1 and 2
Yeah.
things.
So that'll do is there, Tina. You can take your kettle.
Here.
And what we'll do now is, I don't have a cup or milk.
That bag's a turd.
It sucks.
No.
Do you have a cup?
Oh yes, I do have a cup.
You need milk.
Forgot.
Did you just take the lid off?
Yep, just pop that lid off.
Oh, do you want to try it?
There we are.
Oh!
What?
Smelt it. It smells like metal.
Yeah, because I cleaned it out. Yeah, so it's not a bad
Did
smell.
you clean the lid?
I cleaned everything that we got. I cleaned first.
You didn't clean the coffee filters.
They should be sterile.
That was a joke. Did you
joke-
think
the
I was
joke-
being serious
joke
about
just went-
washing them? Right, why are you just leaving it? Oh, that looks like...
I did have a tissue here for our spill. Where'd the tissue go?
I went in the bin.
The tissue was sitting here.
No, you should put it in the water. Right? Check the floor. Tara made it edit.
I did bring a tissue for any spillages.
Use that.
Use this, but plastic. So I
Use this.
right there's that done. Oh, there's the tissue. Gary is at the rescue with a tissue paper.
Right, you're telling me that looks like coffee.
It looks like coffee. I'm thinking no, maybe I didn't use enough coffee.
Coffee isn't red.
Oh, but you see, it's
Seasoned coffee?
it's Christmas coffee.
Seasoned.
Festive coffee?
It's
Seasoned coffee.
it's where'd it go?
Shall I go on that for you in a minute?
Seasoned coffee.
Give us over some seasoned coffee, Gary. Let me see. With a festive blend, you see it's written in red, which makes me think it's red. Right, so we'll go off this and we'll show what we're talking about when we say red. So with a tissue there, we can now set our coffee filter over there. We put our lid on for safety purposes, and here we have the red. Let me see if it looks red up there. See, it looks red there. Yep, and that.
You don't need to feed the
And-
microphone.
There we are.
Oh,
That
one.
looks red. So what we're doing now is we're going to pour it in, and then Rachel's going to test it.
No. You're gonna test it. You need to add milk. Don't fill it the whole way up.
So there we are. There's some. I only used 1.5 scoops, so I'm not sure if I've
It was
used
not
enough.
1.5.
But let me see.
You need to add
It
milk.
smells really nice. I was going to taste it without milk first, just to see. So I'll taste it. I'll put this on and I'll taste it without the milk first.
I didn't know you could do that.
Well, you can, milk's optional, but it said it's cool enough now. I don't want to burn my mouth. End up in hospital, a broken leg and a burnt mouth. So
You don't go to hospital
Smells so
over
nice.
burnt mouth.
where am I going to go? And the mummy will go, too busy clean the floors.
No, you go to the doctor. If it's bad, if not, you just drink stuff
No,
that's
I don't
cool.
want to.
Did you not drink
I
that?
took a wee sip, but it's
You're gonna
I-
spill that.
I need to have milk. I need to have milk. So let me see.
Really? You need to have the thing I told you to put in it, and you would. You
Yeah.
wouldn't?
So let me see what
I
looking
was
like with milk.
barely anything.
Yeah, but it's only a small cup here, so I need to clean. I have stuff on that spoon there, so let me see if we swoosh this round. Oh, now it looks like coffee. Now it looks like coffee. It's a proper colour,
It looks green on the camera.
and we will do the official taste test. So, whenever you're tasting coffee, the most important thing to do is put your pinky out. Okay.
Yeah, because that just gives it so much flavour.
Yeah, yeah. I said so. Pinky out, and we will. Yes, yes, that is really nice. Chocolate, nutmeg, and cherry.
You're gonna finish that in about 10 minutes. No, 5 minutes.
Yeah, so we worked out how to use it. I think I've used it right. If we haven't used it right, let us know. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else that we could have done different.
Did it give
apart
you
from
instructions?
No, I think everyone that drinks coffee is meant to know how to make coffee. But I usually just go to the store and hit the button.
Google it.
Hit the button. I think that's it. You know, there's no other way that you can use that.
Every parent.
But it,
Google it.
it looks.
That's you. You tell me to Google
It
everything.
looks awesome. See that wee red hint through
There's a
it.
new bed.
Yeah, my wee bed's
Wait,
going
can
into there.
Tara get up on that?
I think so.
She's gonna stay to your bed.
That is really, really nice
Tara.
coffee. So I'm well
Who's
impressed
in
with
the
my
bed?
Christmas present from the works.
Stop
Coffee roasters.
Stop it!
And
Tara,
where is
stop
the
it.
new place,
Stop it.
Tina?
Stop it! Hey, stop.
Top of the Cave Hill. There we are.
Will you run
next
up
to
there?
Rod's.
Yep. So if you're in Belfast, next to the top of the Cave Hill, top of the Cave Hill Road, next to Mods, they're opening up a shop there. But it is really, really nice coffee.
Who made you that bracelet? Me or Rowan?
I don't know. So this is the bracelet, and it has a D on it. And oh my goodness, we need to focus in. Focus, focus. There we are. There's the D. Yep. It's upside down. Back to front. I don't know.
Tara,
But
go
there we
stay
have
down
it. So
here.
there is my Christmas present. Put it on your list for next year,
No.
and we'll see you guys later. Yeah.
Okay.
Have you any jokes to tell,
You're not
Rachel?
even putting the coffee in
Oh.
the screen.
Yeah, because I was too busy drinking it.
You weren't there now.
Have you any jokes, Rachel?
No.
No.
Do you?
Lovely background noise there of the washing machine. Yeah.
Lauren, stop.
We'll finish off with a dad joke. I will get a dad joke here. I will get the best
What did the right eye say to the left eye?
dad jokes. What the what? What did
What
the?
did the right eye say to the left eye?
I'm not sure what did the red eye.
The
Right eye say to the left eye.
Between you and me, something smells.
Very good. 150 best dad jokes. No, I just want one. I'm gonna pick the best one here. Which bear is the most condescending?
I don't know.
A panda. Oh
Wasn't
my
even funny.
goodness,
You
that's
just went
class.
pando.
It was what it is. So, what kind of noise does a witch's vehicle make?
Ask it. Start the car.
Broom, broom,
What?
broom, broom. You probably know this one. What's brown and sticky? A stick. How do you not know that? Two guys walked into a bar, the third one ducked.
Right. What?
Two
There is
guys.
no third one.
Two guys walked into a bar, the third one ducked. Walked into a bar, bang, ah! The third one ducked.
But there's only two of them.
Three guys, two guys walked into a bar, the third one ducked.
Right, okay.
I don't think you get the joke, do you?
No.
A bar is where you go to drink alcohol. But they walked into a bar,
Oh,
bang, walked into a bar, the third one ducked under it. Okay.
oh, do you want to know what I seen in a YouTube video?
What did you see in the YouTube video?
It was, so someone walked up to someone, goes, what are you cooking? And they go, I'm cooking sticks. They go, well, it's a non-stick pan. And they went, well, this is a sticky situation. Or something. I don't think I said it right, but it was funny.
Right, there's 2 minutes left in that, and there's just so much noise that we'll wait. And well, there we go, there's it going, not noisy. And by that time I should have picked out a good dad joke.
Oh, that's off the sofa, right, okay.
So here we go. Well, here's one while it's nearly quiet. Why do bees have sticky hair?
I don't know.
Because they use a honeycomb.
There's nothing in the view of this camera, you know, you're supposed to put your coffee in it.
Right, okay, okay.
Coffee nice.
Yes, really nice.
She makes something for me.
Mummy doesn't take coffee.
Yes, does. Tell her to take.
Did you hear about the kidnapping in school?
Yeah. Thankfully you woke up.
It's fine, he woke up. Yeah. How can you tell if it's a dogwood tree? By the bark. My boss told me to have a good day, so I went home. Why did the man fall down the well? Because he couldn't see that well. Okay, that's us. And we will see you at the next video, whatever we're doing. Okay? Over and out.
Bye.
Bye.